This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're going to do a conversion from the standard H11 bulbs that come with your Prius over to HID type bulbs, which are a little brighter. They take a little longer to warm up when you first turn them on, but they end up giving you more total light. So to do that, we are going to come in here on the right side or the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and twist the bulb assembly over to your left by 90 degrees, and that'll allow you to take the bulb out. Right now the modular connector is coming up from the bottom. We're going to pivot it out to the side. So on this side it's pretty easy. On the other side we have to do a little bit of disassembly. So I'm going to reach in there, grab that one, turn it toward me, and then I can get that bulb out by pulling toward the back of the car. Now I can do a disconnection of the existing bulb. Press down on the tab here to make it release. Pull it out. That's the original bulb. Get that out of there. And the HD system, just going to lift up on this top of this fuse box. HD system is hooked to a ballast. I hid the ballast back here. I'll show you on the other side. These are the wires coming out. There's one that hooks up to the power wire for your old bulb down here, and then this is the bulb that's going to go in. Just have it coated in a little paper towel to protect it. You want to make sure you don't touch the glass on any of these HIDs or any of the halogen ones, because the oil on your fingers can make it overheat. And to get that bulb in there, we're going to go in at this angle with the wires pointing out, and we're going to turn down 90 degrees to lock it in. So we're looking in there. You can actually kind of feel where that hole is. Take your time, be careful that you don't damage the bulb. It's going in right here to this projection side. This is your low beam, and that's your high beam. So we're going to get it in there and then we'll turn it. And I'm just doing that by feel right now. I want to feel that the bulb has gone in. It's little plastic lugs that connect. I feel like it's in, and then I'm going to turn it to the down position to lock it in. So that's now locked into position, and I'm going to now connect the power. This is bringing power to the ballast, which is hiding right here, and the ballast is converting the voltage and bringing power to the bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up this one. It only goes in one way correctly. So that's bringing power to that one. And then we can test it out. And then we'll go over how to do this side too. So to get to this bulb, you can get there, but it's not much room to work. I'm going to create a little bit more room. Let me get this hose off. So just move this hose clamp back with a pair of pliers. And then you usually got to give it a bit of a twist. I'm coming underneath that rubber. There we go. Pops off. Okay, it gives me a little more room. I took out this screw too. It's a 10 millimeter, so I could lift this up and out of the way. Just trying to create a little room to get my hand in there. Now I can reach in. I'm going to turn that bulb. The modular connector is pointing down. I'm going to turn it to my right, and it's located behind here, so can't see too well, but I'm just doing it by feel. So I turn, pull it toward me. There's my bulb. So I'm going to press in on a little tab there. And then pull out the old bulb. Then I'm going to put my HID system ballast over here. I'll show you in a sec.
This is the Kensun HID kit that I got from Amazon, the 9005 with 6000K 2-year warranty, about $50, and this one has worked really well, nice and bright.
The Kensun Xenon HID headlight system, and this is the ballast piece. These are kind of self-explanatory. Just clicks in, there's our bulb, ballast, and we're gonna kind of hide this stuff off to the side, and this is going to go in and turn just like a normal bulb, and this one will be where we hook up the old power supply that used to come to the old bulb, hook up into this one. This one goes in and turns. So to install this, I'm just going to put all this crud behind this plastic panel. Just pulled this panel back, was already there, and I'll just hide the ballast up behind there. And I just got to make sure that this stuff can come out toward the front. This one hooks up to the power, and this is just the bulb. And then I can hide that stuff. So I'm going to put this bulb in first and then turn it. So I got the bulb in and I turned it out this way, 90 degrees. Or I came in with the bulb turned this way. I turned it down to lock it in. And now I'm going to hook the power up to the one that used to go to the bulb. This is going to bring power to the ballast instead. That's going to step up the voltage, and then that'll send power to the bulb. Just want to make sure you get those to lock in nice and tight. We're going to put all this crud, this ballast thing, behind this panel. I'm going to fit this crud in back there. Put the ballast in there. Put that piece in. That in there. There we go. And now we're just going to put these pieces back. So we have to get this hose back into position. And we pinch that back where it was. This one goes down here. Put in that 10 millimeter. There we go. And we're going to have nice HID lights.